Hey everybody, this is Brandon Cobb with the House Buying Guys and HBG Construction. I'm over here at one of our projects we just picked up, and we've got this crazy idea where we want to do a $51,000 renovation in 10 days. And we're not 100% sure it's possible, but we're gonna give it a shot. So let me walk you through exactly what we plan on doing to the home. So you can see this is actually a modular home, and the plan is first, we're going to take the metal siding that's around the foundation, and we're going to do a full block foundation, meaning digging and pouring all the footers. We're putting a huge gable on the front of the house. The house is going to have all new siding next to the gable, shutters, all the windows are going to be new. House actually didn't have a little ramp up here when we first picked it up, but let me show you the inside and what we plan on doing to it real quick. So you can see we got a little bit of smoke damage from the smokers. Plan on redoing the floors. We're gonna put some accents up where the panels kind of aligned, kind of give it like that accent look. All the floors are gonna be redone. The kitchen's gonna be redone. Coming here, there's gonna be a lot of drywall work. We're gonna have to reframe part of this in. This little area right here where the water heater is gonna be on the other side where the laundry room is. We're gonna completely gut the master shower in here from top to bottom. Everything's gonna look good. It's gonna be tiled. Come into the other side and I'll show you. Now, luckily we don't have to redo the plumbing or electrical, so that's gonna save us a good bit of time right here. This whole room in here is gonna get completely new drywall, all new light fixtures. This bathroom in here is gonna be a complete gut and redo. Literally, you're not gonna be able to tell that this was ever a modular home by the time we're done in it. So again, Monday, we are starting on this project, and you're gonna get an update from us once a day, live every single day. We're gonna see if we can actually do this project. It turned out to be about $51,000 in 10 days, so stay tuned.